What's going on? It's your boy Ethan. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to another, personal vlog. We're in Vegas, still week one of Vegas right now, and we're gonna go through a little mini day in the life. A little bit of a day in life, partial day in life. I say that because right now it is currently 2:19 in the afternoon. There's a WSOP event starting off in an hour or less than an hour. And we got some things to do before that. Not that we're starting the day off here, but we're starting the vlog. But it's gonna be a little bit different of how it's gonna go right now. Today I wanna document this because our plans are a little bit tricky. We're streaming the WSOP events obviously every single day. And today is actually the last day that my girlfriend and her family is gonna be here. So because of that, we're getting dinner with them at around 7 o'clock. Tournament starts at 3. We're probably going to be registering around 4:30, 5 o'clock. So I'm already hopping on stream for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours max, then heading over to the Stratosphere, getting food at this really nice restaurant. So gotta dress up and do all that. All at the same time, hopefully still playing the WSOP Bracelet event. So we're gonna document that. That's the main thing that I wanted to see, what's going on today. We're gonna be playing it in an Uber. We're gonna be playing all dressed up or semi-dressed up. Gonna be playing with a really sick view, and I'll be on my phone. So I won't be able to live stream it, so I wanna at least capture some of the footage here. Because, you know, what if the off chance that we find a way to actually bank another one and we do it in a ridiculous fashion of playing on my phone and walking around the strip doing touristy stuff? That would be just the dream. Anyways, we're gonna do that though, but for the time being, just gonna make some food, check out what's in the kitchen. You guys don't know, but my diet is just horrendous. There's some veggies that I didn't actually close the cover. There we go. Yeah, I'm an idiot. And there's some chicken, I guess. Got an apple, that's good. Got some chicken for lunch that I made. Maybe some steak if we ever wanted to feel a little bit fancy and stuff. Some cheese sticks as well. It's always an option. But yeah, we've got about 2 hours until the main event, or not the main event, 2 hours until the live stream starts. So we're gonna get some food, probably study, watch a few training videos, do some uploading stuff, and go from there. The breakfast or the lunch of champions. Some veggies, some dry ass chicken, very bland, not a tick of seasoning, and there we go. Bon appetit. That is, this is our lunch. This is what I make for myself. I just have this weird thing with food where I don't actually care about what I'm eating as long as it's like relatively healthy, and it doesn't have to taste good. It just has to be edible. So there's that. If you're wondering about what I study or what I'm looking at right now, really trying to learn a lot more about tournaments with pokercoaching.com. Jonathan Little right now watching his course. And what do we got? We're uploading a video along the way as well. So yeah, this home game action one. I don't know when that's actually gonna be posted, but here we go. Now you know. It's gonna be done in 23 seconds. Let's try this bad boy out. I know what this is gonna taste like. It's gonna taste like a whole lot of nothing, but it's always good when you have to rip the chicken off. Beautiful. It's so good. Mwah. Chef's kiss. All in first, early on, up against King Jack, and we scoop. Let's go. That's fat. Shout out to the chat. Let's go. Huge start right now. Oh my god, shortly after, I think the hand right after the Queen 10, we pick up Ace King. Let me show you guys the replay. Holy shit. Ace King off. Aces all in pre for a massive stack, and all of a sudden we're sitting at 100K in chips. It's better to be lucky than good. Let's run it up. Oh my god. So here's the silly, oh, there's a shuddering thing. That's gonna get really annoying. Here's what we're playing on right now on our phone. Kind of ridiculous. Here's the outfit we're gonna change to nothing actually that fancy because, well, I actually used up all my luggage space for a bunch of this merch, the Luck Box merch, so whatever, we're gonna get changed right now. here we are. I don't know. We're really not dressed all that nice. I don't even have a belt. That's how stupid I am because didn't have space for a belt. But here we are, dressed up just a tad bit. Got the Lulu pants, of course, and we've got 8-6 of diamonds in the small. I'm gonna let this one go. This interface honestly looks horrific if you look at that. But let's go. Let's grind out a WSOP event, and any big hands, you know I'll capture it for the vlog and for you guys. Hello. Hey, thank you.
You will arrive at your destination.
On our way to the strat. WSOP in hand. What was that? Yes. Oh boy. Kings. Alright.
Head west, then turn left.
See how we play this hand. Alright. Flop is pretty good. No king of spades. We'll bet larger. Maybe find a way to get stacks in. On the, oh my god, that's the worst. It doesn't have to have a lot of ace-X's, but probably not gonna slow down just yet, because we're pretty good for our
Turn
range.
right onto Channel 8 Drive. Turn right onto East Deserted Road.
But I
then
think
turn right
we
onto
give up
Channel 8 Drive.
on river.
In 800 feet, turn
Probably
right
the
onto
worst.
Convention Center
He just doesn't
Drive.
have the ace of spades. I don't know, this sucks. This sucks. I think we might have to give up or sometimes block. I'm gonna go for a block. 15-5.
Turn right onto Convention Center Drive.
Hope to not see a ship. Heart is pounding. Let's see a fold or just a call. One time, please. Fold. Oh my god. Whew. Just casually winning a very big pot in an Uber. Let's just get to dinner. I need to get my setup ready. Oh, hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Oh, the white dress. Hi. Currently, just got to the strat, eating at the top of the world. Of course, with our friend Nicole. Sitting with 190K in chips right now. We're gonna see where this goes. Get this bluff through here. Let's try to get this bluff through one time. They get the bluff through, let's go! It's so blurry. But oh my god. Wait, we got the bluff through, but look at this view. This view is absolutely sick. But we got the bluff through. It was sixes on an ace-king, it was an ace-king-queen board with sixes, jammed, got it through, but this view is absolutely unreal. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll of everything. She looks very nice as well.
Here's your thing. Thank you.
Alright, we're going on. We're gonna need it. Folds, let's go. That's huge. Yay! Sweat. Oh, bucket fours, let's go. Can't lose with this. We'll see how this one goes. Come on. Raise. Do something. Do anything. Damn it. You did the worst. Raise, fuck you. He calls. Alright, let's see what we can do with extracting max value 7450. Gotta win this one. He calls. Turn 8 is horrible. That is just not a good turn. Alright. Not afraid of flush draws. We're afraid of 8s. Check back, paw control. It's a river for. Oh my god. This couldn't get any worse.
Oh my god.
He checks. Then we have to go for value. It would just suck. Oh look, there's food. We're value betting this. Prey is a queen. He calls. And let's go. Ship the pot. Playing to win, not playing to lose. Alright, for the tournament life, let's see what's going on. Kinda need this to get through. I'm happy with the fold. Calls with ace king, we're fucked. Oh, Jack on the river! No! No way! Ship it! We suck at poker! So bad at poker! No way! Oh, suck out city! God damn it, we have 400k. We're doing well. I'm glad I caught that on camera. Flop trips, you get raised? Oh baby, come on, let's go. Not a lot behind. Nicole, wish us luck.
Good luck.
Alright, let's go all in. Let's go, need this to hold with trips. Come on, this is a huge hand. He folds! Oh, whatever. He only had like 130 behind. Maybe we could have just called. Alright, whatever.
How short?
We are in the money. 166, 167, make it. Thank you for sweating along with dinner and dealing with my annoying ass. But here we are. Locked up, I don't even know how much because you can't even tell on this stupid app, but we've locked up a min cash at least, and we are currently 10th in chips. Oh wow, Jesus Christ. 10 big blind shove, let's do it. We're up against king queen, let's fade some stuff. Fade a lot of stuff now. Let's go. Ace queen, no! No! Give me an 8! No, so close! Fuck. Ace queen versus 7s, all in pre. Okay, we're alive still. Alright, I think we're gonna have to call this off. There's no way we're folding. Folding is boring. Come on, let's hold one time. King, queen. No! What the fuck? Give me a 4 and ace, you fucking god damn it. And we were a huge chip lead. What was that? Fuck. And we are no longer in the chip lead at all. All right, we got an easy all in, very small bigs left. Let's see. 10 big blinds, wish us luck. Please don't call. Got the Las Vegas sign for a tournament life. He folds. All right, chipping up. Jesus Christ, the sweat. King 5. Easy decision here. Wish us luck. There's no other decision really. We'll see how this goes. Snap call by 10s, he flops a set, and we're dead. GG's. Couldn't get it done. But at least the Las Vegas sign's nice. That's one way to end it off. Made not much. Good way to end the last night in Vegas, even though we didn't finish how we wanted to. This is sick. I keep missing the best parts. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Leave a like if you made it this far, and bye, Nicole. You're leaving Vegas, sadly. Unfortunate.
well, more streams coming up. I'm on the RampagePoker channel. See you guys next time.